We're introducing product management on SaleYee.com. This video is divided into two parts. Part 1 is product management. To manage products on SaleYee, follow these 4 steps. First, go to My SaleYee, Product Management. All the products that you've added to the wish list, downloaded for the data packets, and have purchased will be listed here. Second, you can filter out the products you want to manage according to different factors and product information, such as product tags, inventory, category, and more. It's convenient for quickly locating your products. Now you can view all the basic product information, such as status, price, stock, shipping, and more. Product information updates are also available here. When you select multiple products, you can manage them in bulk, which is much easier. To get more product details to sell in your store, you can download a data packet, product information, price data, stock data, and retail limit price by clicking the Operation button. All the selected data can be downloaded from My Exported Files after the completion of data processing. To have a better classification, you can add tags to products. Click Tag Settings to add labels, then go back to Product Management to add tags to the selected products. If you have no interest in the products anymore, just remove them. Part 2 is Product Notice. Next, let's move on to Product Notice, which informs you of the stock changes. Go to Product Management, Product Notice. By selecting the notification methods, or SKU, you can filter the product notice. Then you'll receive the arrival or out-of-stock notice of the products you like. Simply click Cancel the notice if you don't need it anymore, or you can select multiple items for a batch cancellation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager or email us at support@saleyee.com.